Good morning to all of you. Now I am taking class standard 12 subject OC. Okay. And chapter number 1, subject account. Okay. Chapter number 1, introduction to partnership. Okay. Now in the previous lecture we complete the syllabus of the chapter number 1, completing the topic fluctuating account method, fixed capital account method, and we are discussing the difference between it, and we see the partners capital, current account, profit and loss, appropriation account. Now if sometimes asking in the questions how to prepare partners drawing account. Okay, so first we understand the general entry of partners drawing account in the firm, how to written down, and partners drawing account preparing of it. Now in sometimes partners taking and withdraw cash, capital, goods and asset from the business, from the firm for their personal uses. So here it is called a drawing. Okay, so drawing account is always be debit for in the partnership firm, because it is a loss for the business, because partners are taking capital from the business and not for the business purpose, because it is for the personal uses. So here it is a loss for the business. So here drawing account debit to cash, bank, goods, asset are goes into the business. So it is a credit. In a debit side what you get, and it is the credit side what you give. Okay, so here cash, bank, goods, asset goes out, and drawing is a loss for the business. So loss and expenses are debit, and income and profit are credit. So drawing account debit to cash, bank, goods account, credit. In the description you can written down cash withdraw from firm by partner. If goods and asset withdraw from firm by partner for personal use. Okay, now at the end of the year in 31/3, partner drawing account transfer into the partners capital and current account, because it is a loss, so business are reducing the capital of the partners. Okay, so partners capital account always be credit, and it is reducing, so we are written down in a debit side partners capital and current account debit. If fluctuating method, so we are written down partners capital account. If fixed capital method, we are written down partners current account method. Okay, and drawing account is debit, so we are closing it, so written down in a credit side drawing account credit. Okay, in the description we written down drawing account transfer into partners capital account or current account. Okay, now I hope this is clear. Now here this general entry we are posting into the partners drawing account. Okay, so drawing account debit side we written down the name of cash, bank, goods, asset. Okay, now here this total we are merging and transfer into the partners capital or a current account. So here in a credit side we written down by partners capital and current account. Okay, and here if you want to written down interest on drawing account in a debit side of partners drawing account, so you cannot written down in the profit and loss partners capital and current account debit side, because you are here merging and ultimately transfer into the partners capital account. अगर जब आप यहाँ पर भी इसको रिटर्न डाउन करते हैं और पार्टनर्स कैपिटल एंड करंट अकाउंट में भी डबल टाइम आप उसको एंट्री करते हैं, तो एक्सपेंसेस क्या हो जाएंगे, रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे, कैपिटल रिड्यूस हो जाएगी डबल टाइम, बिकॉज ये मर्ज होके कहाँ जा रहा है, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में। तो जब आप यहाँ पे एंट्री लिखते हैं, यू कैन नॉट रिटन डाउन इन अ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल एंड करंट अकाउंट इन अ डेबिट साइड। I hope this is clear about how to prepare journal entry of partners drawing account and how it close and transfer into the partners capital and current account and how to prepare the partners drawing account. Okay, now we are going to the next topic, that is difference between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. So we will see and discuss about it. Now we are going to next topic, that is difference between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so here first point is meaning after preparation of trading account, which account is prepared for the profit loss of business, that account is PL account. Means we are preparing balance sheet at the end of the year. So we are prepared trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So after trading account we prepare profit and loss account to check the net profit and net loss of the business. Okay. Next is after the preparation of profit and loss account, which is prepared for distribution of profit and loss among the partner in the partnership firm, that account is profit and loss appropriation account. In the partnership firm we distribute profit and loss account. So we are preparing for profit and loss appropriation account after preparation of profit and loss account. Okay, now second is prepared by. Okay, who is prepared the profit and loss account and the profit and loss appropriation account. So here all business entities prepared this account for the check the net profit and net loss of the business. Okay, now here generally partnership firm is prepared profit and loss appropriation account. It is distribute the divisible profit and loss among the partners. Okay, so how much profit and loss we distribute to among the partners in predetermined proportion rate. Okay, now here third point is opening entry of account. So here when we prepare profit and loss account, so first we written down the gross profit and gross loss, that is carry forward from the trading account. Okay, at the end of this account, trading account, here we are see that gross profit and here gross loss, and this gross profit transferred into the profit and loss account here. Okay, and gross loss is here. Okay, so opening balance in the profit and loss account, we first written down the gross profit and gross loss from the trading account. Now in the profit and loss appropriation account, we first written down the opening balance of net profit and net loss that carry forward from the profit and loss account. Okay, so here net loss and here net profit. We are seeing the previous lecture profit and loss appropriation account, and in about top level the net loss and net profit we are written. Okay, now in debit side, so in profit and loss appropriation account, in debit side all the expenses occurred in the business other than purchase related. Okay, purchase related expenses, that is raw material we are purchasing, we are pay factory rent, and we have give labor. Okay, wages give to the labor. So this expense is related to the purchase. So other than purchase related expenses, we are written down in a debit side, that is depreciation, bad debts, okay, rent of the business, or salary for employees. Okay, so these are the administration expense, selling expenses. So these are the expenses other than the purchase related. We are written down in a debit side of profit and loss profit and loss account. Now in debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, we are written down related to partners expenses. Okay, drawing interest on capital account, that is expenses of the business and income for the partners. So interest on capital account, interest on other than capital and anything else account, we are written down here. Okay, salary, bonus, remuneration, these are expenses related to partners for a business. So it is written down in a profit and loss appropriation account. Now in a credit side, so all income and profit shown other than the selling, it is written down the प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ओके, यहाँ पे जो सेल आता है उस सेल के अदर देन जो भी इनकम है वो इनकम को हम आपका शो करेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस क्रेडिट साइड अकाउंट. ओके, नाउ हियर इफ income of rent, we are give house and factory on as per the rented, so that rent is our income. So this type of income we are written down here. Okay, and profit on the selling of the assets, so that profit also written down in the credit side of profit and loss account. Okay, now credit side, all income related to partners, that written down in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, that is interest on drawing. Okay, so such type of income we are written down in a credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Now result of account, so when we are close the profit and loss account, we found the result of net profit and net loss of the business. Okay, now here in a profit and loss appropriation account, here appropriation. Okay, in the we are found the result of divisible profit and divisible loss among the partners for the partners distribution. So here we found the divisible profit and divisible loss. Okay, now balance of account. Now here in the profit and loss account, the balance of net profit and net loss we are transfer into the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, and here the balance of divisible profit and divisible loss we distribute among the partners, and that we transfer into the partners capital account or a partners current account. Okay, I hope this all point are you got it. Okay, thank you so much. Now we are gone next topic, interest on capital. So when we are solving the problems, different situation occur when we are paid interest on capital to partners. So first situation is where there is no provision in determine in the partnership deed, okay, about interest on capital. So here as per the Indian Partnership Act, we are not pay the interest on capital to partners. Okay, the next situation is when the provision for the interest on capital is made in the partnership deed कि आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना है, बट no clarification is provided to consider interest on capital as a charge और एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट मीन्स यहाँ पे आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करना है, बट इट इज़ नॉट मस्ट एंड कंपल्सरी इफ देयर इज इन अ लॉस। ओके, अगर आपको लॉस हो रहा है तो आपको कंपल्सरी इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देना ही है, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं लिखा। इस चीज़ का कोई क्लियरिफिकेशन नहीं हो तब ऐसी सिचुएशन पे हमें क्या करना है, इन केस ऑफ प्रॉफिट वी आर नॉट पे द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू partners. Okay, because of no clarification it is must given by the interest on capital by in a partnership deed. Okay, second situation is in case profit is equal to interest on capital of partners and more, so we are give interest on capital according to the prescribed rate. Okay, so here if A partner introduce 1 lakh and B partner introduce 50,000. Okay, and here prescribed is if suppose 10% interest on capital, so here 10% interest on capital will be paid to partners, and here interest E for A is 10,000 and for B is 5,000. Okay, so here it is said that if profit is equal to interest on capital, if profit is 50,000, okay, and more to 15,000, so we are paid interest on capital to as a prescribed rate of interest on capital 10,000 for A and 5,000 for B. Okay, now here profit is less than interest on capital, so interest can be paid in interest capital proportion. Okay, so here if profit is 10,000, okay, profit is 10,000, so we are pay interest on capital to A and B according to their proportion of interest on capital. So here 10 zem 5 means 2 zem 1 we are give and distribute interest on capital to partners. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a live lecture. Okay. Here third is when interest on capital will be paid in case of either profit or a loss. It is must be paid interest on capital to partners. या आपको प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस, आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पे करना है. So here profit is insufficient and we are paid interest on capital to partners. So here if suppose 10,000 is profit less than the interest on capital 50,000, but we are must paid 15,000 to partners. So here it will be occur loss in the profit and loss appropriation account, because here I made this here if you have net loss, okay, you have net loss 10,000, sorry, you have profit 10,000 but your interest on capital is 15,000, so you are pay interest on capital A and B 10,000 and 5,000. So here debit side balance is more than the credit side, so it is create 15,000 50,000, here create 5,000 divisible loss to the partners. Okay, here if you have insufficient profit and you must be paid interest on interest on capital to partners, So here increasing in debit side, so it create the divisible loss in the partnership firm. And if you have loss, okay, so if you have loss here, net loss is 10,000 and it is must paid interest on capital to partners. So here 10 and 15, 25,000, it is your divisible loss. It means you are increasing in a loss of the partnership firm. So this is a different situation in case of partnership deed. Mention the proportion, it must be charged or not, and if it is not given not given provision in the partnership deed, so what are the entries for the interest on partners capital. In the next lecture we will see some example, so you more clear about the provision in partnership deed about the interest on capital. I hope this is clear to all of you and you note down this all the things, okay. And it's your homework now. You can see and you can search in Google what is different between statement, okay, what is different between statement and account, okay. So what is the difference between statement and account? I can ask in live lecture to anyone. मैं किसी से भी पूछ सकती हूँ statement and account. Whatever I given homework to in this offline videos, I ask in the live lecture. Okay, so written down here this and take this knowledge and deeply understand, and we are see the solution of it in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.